The dictionary definition of bioaccumulation states that it is the accumulation of a substance, such as a toxic chemical, in various tissues of a living organism. It also states that bioaccumulation takes place within an organism when the rate of intake of a substance is greater than the rate of excretion or metabolic transformation of that substance. I doubt this paints the clearest picture in your head, so I'm going to create a visual aid to help you better understand this concept. There are many different potentially toxic elements that can exist in nature, like heavy metals such as mercury and lead, or toxic chemicals like PCB and DDT. Many are man-made or exist in excess because of man, others occur naturally. Through bioaccumulation, these elements are carried up through the food chain and can have potentially harmful effects on the environment. If these aquatic plants only contain 0.5 ppm of mercury each, they are no danger to the environment. But as they start to move up the food chain, problems can occur. When plankton consume aquatic plants and other plankton, they contain the same levels of mercury as those aquatic plants, around 0.5 ppm, although it is spread out through a larger population. At this point, there is still no damage to the ecosystem. As we move on to the secondary consumers, these small fish, they will need to eat a lot more to survive. This is why they will accumulate much more mercury than the lower levels of the food chain. You can see how this can start to become a problem. These small fish contain mercury levels of 10 ppm each. This large fish has to eat many small fish every day. Because of this, the amount of mercury in the large fish will reach much higher points, and to almost toxic levels. The quaternary consumer, or the animal that eats the big fish, may start to feel the effects of bioaccumulation. Because mercury has reached a substantial level in the big fish, if it is eaten too much, that consumer could have health problems. This could include damage to the brain, kidneys, and developing fetuses.